How do birds fly? Birds use their breast muscles to flap their wings and give them the thrust to move through the air and fly. But why don't humans and other animals fly? Birds have lightweight bones that are filled with air. Their small and light bones let them fly up. But humans have thick and large bones, which makes us heavy and thus not letting us fly. Aeroplanes are like birds, but instead of flapping their wings, they use engines to fly up. Flying consumes a lot of energy of birds. Birds have large lungs which help them breathe easily through the air. So, my dear friends, I hope you understood this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive all the new notifications from my channel. Smash a like if you like this video. Thank you.